श्रीमती वंदना चौहान, प्रोफेसर मनोज कुमार झा। माननीय जया जी, अनेक नाम है पर हम लोग चाहते हैं कि महिलाएं पहले बोले, इसलिए मैं बुला रहा हूं।
थैंक यू। Thank you, Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir. I also wanted to say that I follow the great parliamentarians on this issue, including my Honorable Minister. So I wanted to say that thank you, Jayaji, and everyone who moved that, and thank you to Indian Parliament who accepted to have a discussion on it. I'll not say, sir, on stunting or wasting, but then Global Nutrition Report, recent one, says 46.6 million are stunted and 25.5 million children are wasted. So just a couple of points which I want to share. I would draw the attention of Honorable Minister that our program component relies heavily on monitoring, tracking, etc. For instance, high-speed network, awareness campaigns. I mean, the problem of stunting or wasting, it requires much more critical input at the grassroots level. That is number one, sir. So, my own experience shows that Anganwadi workers are the backbone of this work program. And let's all revisit what is their condition. In many states, their payments are delayed or denied. That is number one, sir. Now, they don't get any traveling allowance or whatsoever. So is the case of Anganwadi supervisor. There has been an increase of 19% and 14%, I think, in these programs. What is very important that this increase of the fund should have some kind of implication for the payment of allowance of Anganwadi workers, because you cannot produce the desired results if our goal is only to surveillance and monitor. With these words, sir, I believe nutrition is probably one of the greatest challenges before us, and this House must address it, taking the root cause of malnutrition, and one of the root cause, apart from the things what my colleagues have suggested. So please remember, Anganwadi workers are carrying a heavy burden, and we have not responded to their condition, their kind of precarious situation with any positive agenda. Thank you so much, sir. Jai Hind.
धन्यवाद झा जी।